Hey! We've made it. We're sat. I'm so excited. We're about to start boarding. Thankfully, I'm not the type of person that makes it to the airport like 3 hours early. I just can't sit that long. I don't like it. But I wanted to show you what's in my bag because it's very important for a flight. So, numero uno. Oh, I have a charger. And I have one of the old chargers too, just in case, because I hate being stranded. I also have my sleep mask, eye mask for Egypt Air because I really cannot sleep on a flight. And because I cannot sleep on a flight, I also have my melatonin. And I really hope it works because the other melatonin didn't. So we'll see. But it also has L-theanine, which I like. L-theanine is for focus. I don't know. Have you guys tried it? Let me know what your thoughts are. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait.
Something small.
My mom got me a gift. I feel like I know what it is. Is it a bracelet? It's so cute. It's Chanel. وفونها بس حلوة. ولا لا. I say a room with a view. No, but honestly, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, we have to. Guys, look at the view. And my mom is screaming because she's like, there's a bidet. Honestly, the room is stunning. Let me just show you. Oh, I can't get over this view. No, it is so beautiful. We're staying at Hotel Olivedo. And we're staying in Varenna. And we're gonna go to Tremezzo for dinner. And what else? You can hear the crickets like chirping. I love that sound. That sounds like summer to me. And then tomorrow, hopefully we're gonna do Bellagio. Maybe like a 1-hour boat ride. I'm so excited. No, I'm obsessed. You can't take me anywhere. I'm obsessed. Love how minimalist this bathroom is. And if I could have a shower like this at home, I'd love it. So lovely. Yeah, very much up my alley. Body lotion with vitamin E, which is muy importante. I kind of want to sniff it. I like the way these things smell. It's sort of unpacked. We got the bags over here. I put some of my clothes away. I don't know what to wear for today. Should we wear this blue dress? Should I wear this yellow dress? I don't know. My PJs, because we're feeling cozy. Oh my God, look, I look like Rudolph. Anyway, I've just hopped out of the shower. For my mom, I'm about to do my makeup and get dressed. I'm so excited. We have booked dinner reservations for Tremezzo. Yeah, maybe you guys can help me choose what to wear. Have you been to Lake Como before? This is my first time. I've been to Capri a few years ago, but I'm so excited for Lake Como. My mom hasn't traveled in a while too, since her and I went to Egypt with each other, so I hope she likes this. I think she does so far because she's such like a nature-esque person. So let's do some makeup. I didn't even know where to put you guys. I feel like you might be able to see me or see what I'm doing in the mirror. I also kind of feel like it's bad manners to keep my back towards you. So I don't know, maybe I'll just turn my seat around like this. But my makeup bag here and start doing this face. Talk to my mom about my plans today with her because she has no idea how good they are. I made reservations, Mama, for 7 p.m. at the Hotel Tremezzo. Fresh and clean, same.
Where's the hair cream?
I have a hair oil. What are your thoughts on it?
Beautiful, actually.
Isn't it?
Just coming here is
It was definitely a little bit harder than I had imagined. We had to take Yarhamakallah. So my mom got a cold and I broke out. Isn't that? No, you're gonna get some vitamin C today. And then some vitamin D, and it's gonna change everything. Yeah, it was calm vibes, huh? My mom's an early bird, just like me, luckily. We'll do a little bit of blush. If you guys were interested in what blush this is the 55 in Love. Makeup done. What are your thoughts? Okay, now I show you my outfits, and you let me know what you think. One is a bit shorter, but it's not short. Alil adab. Alil adab means like disrespectful. So this is like this buttery yellow vibe. It doesn't look like much until I put it on. Same goes for this. Yeah.
I thought that was a blouse.
No. بالليل دلوقتي. Okay, so this is the first option.
Nice. Let me see the blue one.
Okay.
This is beautiful. You look beautiful.
Yeah? Oh, my mom is about to have a panic attack. Second option, she's not liking it. It's gonna be a hard no.
I love you, but...
I get it. So which one is better? Neither? No, Mama. I really love the fact that I matched the building. I don't know if I should wear this yellow one or if I should wear blue dress for tonight. Kind of like this yellow. This is Mama. We're matching. MashaAllah, what a view. It's unreal though, right? Look at you. Nice blue, twinning. But supposed to have a view this way. I am in Lake Como. I am living the fancy bougie auntie life. Definitely gonna cancel my flight back home. Lake Como, you got my heart. My mom is out here making movies. One thing about my mom is she will meet someone and start talking to them and she'll be best friends, and that's where I get it from. While she talks, I'm happy to say having a moment of gratitude to be able to make it this far, be able to come to this beautiful place, be able to bring my mom here.
Beautiful. It's really romantic. It has beautiful flowers, mountain, water. I really love it. It's gorgeous.
Have you been to a place like this before? I don't know. I know you've been to Switzerland.
I went to Switzerland. I went to Spain.
Mm-hmm.
But this is gorgeous. I mean, I had more time here. And maybe my memory has faded because that was a long time ago.
Oh, la la. It smells amazing. It's just like a million roses. So this is where I made reservations for my mom and I because, wait. Look how gorgeous the view is.
The tasting menu, you may choose between two options.
Egg with chocolate.
That's good.
A little bit of lamb and artichokes. Right? It's nice and crispy. And then it just started pouring. The rain and the lightning are oddly satisfying. Little tiramisu, never heard anybody. It's like panettone tiramisu. I must set my priorities straight because my phone is dying. And it's not like this is getting a great shot of this, but look at this beautiful swan. Hi! Today is a rainy day in Como.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
I don't know. Tell me where we're going.
Bellagio.
Bellagio.
What do you think of your vacation so far?
I love it.
You do love it. أول حاجة تاخدي شوية زيت a little bit of salt. تعمل زيت الزيتون بتاعهم حلو.
You know what I like? Try Texas biscuit.
Oh my god, I love that. Yum. Grazie mille. Boat time. We're here at a botanical garden. You okay, Mama?
Yeah, I'm okay.
It's our last day in Como, and we're gonna go to Milan right after this. But let me just, here's the view one last time. How incredible.